Hey, thank you. This is Rob Houston. We are here at Hades Place. It's one of Enid's newest restaurants, and they have some fabulous artwork here on the inside done by Enid artist Tox Murillo. We're inside because it's a nice hot summer day in Enid, and as we go into July, obviously a lot of heat going on, but there will also be a lot of cool events that are happening too. It's time, so get ready to mark your calendars. Leonardo's summer discovery camps will end in July. They have 4 more weeks. Discover food the week of July 1st, then discover mad science, discover the ocean, and finally July 22nd through 26th, discover the Olympics. Go to Leonardo's website to learn more. Enid's 4th of July celebration will take place at Meadow Lake Park. They're going to start dark and early at 5:30 with the annual fishing derby. Then that evening, the Enid Symphony will perform at 8:30 with the fireworks to go off at dusk, which will be around 9:30. Head to downtown Enid on July 5th. It's July's first Friday. All kinds of fun things will be happening on the downtown square. There's auto racing at Enid Speedway on July 6th. It's the Sooner Late Models Series. Enid Speedway is the fastest 3/8 of a mile track in the Midwest. July 15th, KOCO TV out of Oklahoma City will bring its On the Road series to Enid. They'll be at Adventure Quest from 3 until 7 p.m. and will broadcast their 4, 5, and 6 p.m. newscasts there. July 15th is a significant date for KOCO. It's its 70th anniversary of its original broadcast back in 1954 in Enid as station KGEO. Ladies, make it to the YWCA's annual luncheon and purse auction, Purses with Purpose. It's July 16th at the Stride Bank Center, and you could win a genuine Louis Vuitton Dauphine Soft GM purse valued at around $4,800. Catch some live music, and you can stay indoors to do it. July 18th, it's Turpin Tunes featuring several local and regional artists at the Gaslight Theater. Monty Python's Spamalot comes to the Gaslight Theater stage. 5 different performances, July 19, 20, or 21, also July 26th and 27th. There'll be the annual spot landing competition July 20th out at Woodring Regional Airport during its breakfast fly-in beginning at 7:30 a.m. Barnstormers provides a fantastic buffet breakfast. Mud volleyball returns to Enid on July 20th. Get your team together and take part in the Enid Noon Ambucks Smokin' Mud Volleyball Festival at CW Scooters. Ladies, get ready to be swept off your feet. July 27th, it's Shades of Hunks at the Stride Bank Center. Tickets start at just $25. Oh, that was good. So good here at Hades Place. There's several events going on in Enid in the month of July. We've talked about a few of them. There are more, of course, to be seen and learned about. So go to our website, visit enid.org, click on the calendar events, and we hope to see you in Enid in July.